Okay, so we're back with Baskets Galore, and we've moved on to the second in this series of Christmas gift baskets and whatever.
Yep.
And in the previous one, we referred to the Christmas gift.
Yep.
These ones here that we're now looking at are food gift. So this is whereby whenever there is something from a Christmas hamper or a Christmas gift that you know that people don't want or don't value or don't like, then you've got a little range here whereby there's one product missing.
Okay.
And this is very important because sometimes people will come along and they will have an expectation as to what should be in it. And very often it will be the standard, what they've had before or seen before. And if you take something out of it, they'll say, well, why was that missing? So it's very important to define it, whereas the previous ones were
so
everything you would expect.
This one has the Christmas cake, mince pies, and Christmas pudding.
And the biscuits.
Yeah.
This one here would have the the Christmas pudding missing.
Okay.
So this one here is called Snowy Christmas Morning. So say, for instance, you are coming along and you're looking to order a Christmas gift basket, but you know they don't like a pudding.
Yeah.
It's Snowy Christmas Morning.
Okay.
There will be others. There will be 2 or 3 others in this range whereby there will be no cake, but there may be the pudding into it.
Okay.
So therefore, perhaps people don't want the Christmas cake, okay? Or it may be changed to an iced slab rather than the Christmas cake, or a chocolate cake.
Okay.
Or there may be the Christmas cake and the mince pies may be missing because the pudding may be into it. So in other words, what you're doing here is you're making a feature of something being missing, and that becomes your food gifts, which you can do at Christmas time. So say, for instance, you were coming along and rather than just following, you have, say, a budget, all right? Because this is very important now in this cost of living and whatever. And say, for instance, you wanted to put together a Christmas hamper or a Christmas gift basket, and you just, and you wanted, okay, well, it needs to have this, and maybe you AI it, maybe you ask ChatGPT what goes into a Christmas hamper, and it tells you a variety of things that go into it. Well, you don't have to include everything that it is suggesting, and what we would do is define, okay, well, if this one is a Christmas gift basket, this one is a food gift basket.
So no one does everybody. You have to have those options there that there's something, we're trying to offer something for everybody.
Yeah, that's it. I think once you define what something is, what a gift is, and what you want it to do, then you can zero in very spectacularly on exactly what you want. And that's, remember, the objective of a company like us, Baskets Galore, whereby we're not looking to put you through so many filters to find what you want. We have to define exactly what our each basket represents, what it is. And whilst it may be tempting to say you can do this for this and this for this and this for this, you've got to define it very clearly so that people will end up on exactly what they want based upon how they are searching. So that concludes. This one is the Snowy Christmas Morning. There's 2 or 3 others in this range whereby there's one of the aspects of it missing, so that you as a customer can go straight through and not ask and not say, okay, well, I want this changed and whatever, because whilst we can do that through the year, because we make them all in here, and you can do that at home whatever way you want because you've got time. Remember, we're professionals. Time is money for us. And so we have to make sure that what is available for you to buy online, if there's something that you don't want into it, there is a product.
Yeah, an option there for everybody.
There's an option there for you to go click buy and say, thank you very much, I want this. Okay.